In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. First, right-click any empty space on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Next, click on the Performance tab. From here, look for the GPU section. If your computer has multiple graphics cards, they'll be listed as GPU 0, GPU 1, and so on. You can see the exact model of your card right here. In my case, I'm running an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. You'll also see a real-time usage graph. Right below that, you can check the load percentage, and under Dedicated GPU Memory, you'll find your VRAM capacity and current temperature. Now, here's a little extra tip for those of you using a 10-bit monitor with an NVIDIA card. You can check and improve your display quality by pressing Windows I to open Settings. Go to System, then Display. Scroll down to Related Settings and click Advanced Display. This shows you exactly which GPU is driving your monitor. Check out the bit depth info at the bottom. It usually defaults to 8-bit. To bump that up to 10-bit, right-click your desktop, select Show More Options, and open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Under Change Resolution, scroll down and select Use NVIDIA Color Settings. Change the output color depth from 8 to 10 and hit Apply. If you head back to Settings, you'll see it's now set to 10-bit. This makes your colors pop, though it might make the system run a tiny bit slower. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.